Hey everybody, Charlie Montoya with Jupiter here at InfoComm 2026, and look it, if you are looking for the best of the best of the best of the best, you cannot go wrong with our Pana X series. This is the 21x9 product on steroids, and I'm talking Mark McGuire in the 90s type, okay? Literally, a full 1,000,000 to 1 contrast ratio, 2,100 nits. If I turn this white, you can get a suntan. And I know we're in Vegas, you're gonna get a suntan already, but you can actually get it in the booth. The color, the contrast is second to none. It is also the only one in the marketplace with a full 120 hertz refresh rate at 5K. There ain't nothing gonna come close to this, plain and simple. It comes in an 81 and 105 inch. People love this because it also goes in full portrait mode. So, if you need the best of the best of the best and then some in a 21x9 display, look at the Pana X series. We're here to stay, we're really enjoying it. Take a look at our website, jupiter.com. Thanks, have a great day.